Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Infinity by Harman Sonic B200 WL 2.1 wireless soundbar. So as you can see, this is the box that this comes in. It's quite a big box and it's actually shaped like that. So the soundbar part would be right here, and this is where they would keep the subwoofer. Before I open the box, let's see what other information we have. So the specifications are given. It has a frequency range of 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. It runs off 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 megahertz power input. It has source inputs. It supports source inputs from Bluetooth, USB, RCA, line in, and also optical. So you can pretty much connect this to any kind of a device, whether it's a television, it's your DTH, it's a laptop, or your mobile phone also. It has controls of standby, source, play, pause, and a volume up and down. It does have a mute button. Alright, so that's the information over here. What else do we have? It says 160 watts peak power or 80 watts RMS output. So that's quite loud. It's a wooden subwoofer for rich and powerful sound. There is a full function remote also in this package. And what all does this contain? So this contains a subwoofer, it contains the soundbar, it contains a wireless remote with battery included. There's a power cable, there's an audio cable, and there's a quick setup guide. So let's just go ahead and open this up. So the first thing that we have when you open this up is this packet right here. And this packet basically contains an audio cable. There is a batteries for the remote and some screws if you want to mount this. And there is also there's a quick setup guide. So there's a quick setup guide and your warranty card. They also are included. So I'll just keep this right here in front. Next you have, right on top, there's a power cable that's given. So you've got a power cable. And there's also the remote control, which again I'm going to just keep right there. It comes plastic wrapped. Alright, so once you remove that, I'll take out the subwoofer first. So this is the subwoofer. It comes nicely packaged. So there you go, that's the subwoofer, that's what it looks like. So I'm just going to keep this down for now. And this is the sound bar right here. Again, it's nicely wrapped up. I'll show you. So there you go, that's the sound bar. This is the sound bar. So there you have it, folks. That was the unboxing of the Infinity by Harman Sonic B200 WL soundbar and subwoofer. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.